Are you passionate about starting a food truck of your own and ready to turn your dream into reality? The first step is to create a detailed business plan outlining your concept, target market, menu, and pricing strategy. Next, research funding options such as small business loans, grants, and crowdfunding platforms to secure the necessary capital. Consider approaching local banks or credit unions that offer loans specifically for entrepreneurs looking to start a food-related business. Another option is to seek investment from family and friends who believe in your vision and are willing to support your venture financially. You can also explore government programs or resources aimed at assisting small businesses and startups in the food industry. Additionally, think about hosting pop-up events or participating in local food festivals to showcase your culinary skills and attract potential investors. Building a strong online presence through social media platforms and a well-designed website can help you gain more visibility and credibility. Offering unique and high-quality dishes that stand out from the competition will attract loyal customers and increase your chances of success. Another option some food truck business owners go for is crowdfunding. We cover this in depth in our Discord group. Just use the link in the description to join and download it. Consider implementing a customer loyalty program to encourage repeat business and reward your supporters for their patronage. Lastly, passionate about starting a food truck of your own and ready to turn your dream into reality? Promote your food truck business and secure the funding you need to make your dream a reality. Stick around and subscribe, as in our next videos we will be breaking down each method one by one.